So, I'm back. Not really feeling well. I don't understand what's going on. I've been vomiting. So, yeah, we don't know what's going on. But we gotta shoot. Because after today, I think I'll get a chance to shoot maybe next week again when I'm off. So, we gotta do this. So, no, Zoringa named one from the age of 13 to 17, somewhere there. That's why I'm petting a pan. Fucked up belt, I know. Fucked up blazer. But this shows that this is going to be last season session. Nifaka esikolweni bafana bami because nginokubheda nyana. So thina sidlulile la simtshele ukuthi sikhipha. Check. When I know ngizonifaka. So mangabe uzobheda la noma umakriza akhe angayibona right uzobona ukuthi bengikulayitisa. Uzobona ukuthi bengikulayitisa blind. Because nginokubheda nje ku-serious. Serious. Nginokubheda ku-serious nje. So, yeah, ngizoniplaka. You know mina, I don't go with my intros. I don't do intros. I come up here and I'm like, oi mates. Then singena udabeni. So ngizoringa nani, ngizoniplaka njenge-Hotman leni linifrostana yabo njengolokishi. Mafethu, this thing I do think angiqali ukuyibona this thing of fucking around and finding out. So there is a video of some time saying if the more you fuck around, the more you find out. And the uringivar in this life, ngibhekana ne-peer pressure nabusana. Lot of peer pressure. So the more you fuck around, the more you're gonna find out. The less you fuck around, the less you find out. So this is fucked up. This is better. There's no one perfect. Khona la kumele udlule khona. Khona la kumele ukhahleleke khona. Khona la kumele ugandeke khona. In order for you to learn. But mina ngiyakulayitisa kusese-age. The more you fuck around, the more you're gonna find out. This is a hierarchy thing. So there are things okungamelanga uzibeke on top of the hierarchy. I'll start here. Cause no, suyaqala uba i-teenager nyana. Uzijuna ukleva. Dalela-ke ngizokutshela mina. Awusafuni ukuspend isikhathi nomndeni. Awusafuni ukuzwa next. Awusafuni ukutshela wena. Usuyaphendula wena. Ngisho sowukleva. Iimpentshi zakho yize zikutshelayo ukuthi thina siyaphendula ndoda mina-ke umzali wami angeke angitshele niks. Mina ngizomtshela. Makabhede uyabheda. Amasimba la. And that's going to lead you to being a drug addict. So bhema yonke into. So nyawo base. And that puts us back to fucking around and finding out. Homeless, no. Engathi maye endlini bayakuhlupha kanti they're trying to tiba you. They are tibbering you nice. Kuthi yokubheka. So, your friends, your circle, i-circle oyikhethayo is very important. It's very fucking important. Khona bazokufaka esipinzeni. Kuyabheka. Next thing, imitshovo. Mlilo phezu kwelight. Uzohlanya. And on that point, you'll be disappointing these people. And not only disappointing them, you're disappointing yourself. Next thing, depressed. So ucabanga intambo, my fucking idiot. So ucabanga intambo. Ukuthi ucabanga kanjani intambo ngazo. But ngiyakulayitisa. Your circle is important. I don't mind you fucking around a little. Hence, I said, the less you fuck around, the less you find out. So, I don't mind you experimenting on these things other than drugs. Nana. Spinza, you can spinza. I do spinza. Maybe tunyana. As long as you don't cause problems, that's when you are being responsible, drinking wise. You get. So, your circle will affect your life on everything. You'll be thinking you're the shit. And you are ruining your life. Depressed. Besides being depressed, so consumers in this bar, man. So you're bema, so you're joy. And that leads to dropping your academics are dropping. You look like a damn fool. So tshela bo mem kutafa go zero mem. Well, at that point, you were supposed to be learning something. Learning yourself, self-introspect. And learning some new skills. Because busy most of the time ngidlalela kulezinto ama-social media ngasekubreaking ama-rules. Ngidlalela ku-social media. Social media ikubonisa i-luxurious life yomuntu. Angeke kubonise how she or he gets his coins. Angeke kubonise ukuthi wathola kanjani lama-coin lawa andlalisela ngawo la for ama-views. So you are hooked with thiba. So utshela ukuthi ma impilo kumele ibe fast. Kanti the faster you make it, the quicker you fall. Ngikhuluma nani mntwana? Layitana. The things you should be doing on your younger ages. Thola skill nyana. Skill nyana esizokusiza mangabe awuyasikela. Bawuqeda isikela. Sharpen your skills. One more petty skill. Ungaqalela phansi as many as you can. Sharpen your skill. Work on your health, your body. Mangabe ufuna ukuba shredded, iba shredded. Mangabe ufuna ukuba isikora, iba isikora. But as long as you are focusing on yourself and nama-academics wakho, you need that pay. You need that pay. You need that pay. And sometimes, in order for you to succeed, you must be alone. Mele ube one. Mele ube one. like inkenge yakho leyo ilento zayo ezokubhayizisa mfana. Uyaphumela eningi. Maseniphuma Friday awusayi endlini seziyatsha. Sekuyaphuzwa. Imali yomkhero ayisave. You are not saving. I won't lie to you. Awalento yokungasave inkawathi. Because khane ngifunda manje ukusave. Stupid fuck. So, save. Leyo mali abakunikeza yona izokusiza uma uqeda isigebe. But angibelievele kumosheni imali angizothola isipani. It's not easy kule ibhani lezi. It's not easy. Nobody wishes to be there. But we are there now. Just because of isimo. Some of us slightly late. But mama grade 12 with no man, I should have focused on my studies la. Because everything seems to be falling into line. But no problem is segulate. Because of thinking you're the shit. Nyapshaya. And coming back to school and talking about all of these things events in the weekend. Hey, you think you're the shit now. You are posting your videos in Nana. Why you should be focusing on bettering yourself, getting your academics right. This is way too important. Ungasizwe isingisi sesikhoma nabelungu esibhedayo ngenxa yokuthi we didn't azange sizifundise ukufunda incwadi nani. Khane lezi zinto esi-engage kuzo manje. Because impilo izokufundisa mfana. Yabona mawungakadluli somewhere. Mawungakafundi something. Impilo izokubuyisela la as many as it can. Ukuze kubonise ukuthi impilo ayihambi the way ufuna ngakhona. So if it has to teach you, it would. I didn't really want to make examples about my relationship. But when I entered my last relationship, I really thought I had everything under control. Only to find out that Elvan had to teach me this last lesson. And I'm blaming I never sure. I need blame. So it's like I noticed after I fucked up so bad that we are turned over it. I don't want to talk about this dog. So I'm trying to plug you, gents. From 13 to 17. Thola iskill nyana along there. Ozozifaka sona. Skill esizokusiza on the long run. Cause I wasn't Billy Petele. You can start early no gym. You don't need a gym membership. Yeah, ekasi akhona ama-gym nyana you pay 10 rand a day. You can go to a gym. Invest in yourself. There's nothing good than investing in yourself. You might not see a process fast, fast, but isikhathi masamba uzobona nawe ukuthi umzimba uyashintsha. Ubona ne-confidence iba khona. And as more as you focus on yourself, either more cake is there. But don't put a cake on top of the hierarchy. I won't lie, some of those people come with a bunch of malaki on top of your life. And uzofunda. You will learn. You will learn the hard way. So put yourself first. Into engizokutshela yona ntwana yami, put yourself first. Uzinakekele. Lezi ezinye izinto zokuthi and the most guys, guys nizokukhawaza. Now you're starting to jog there ekasi. Now they are saying asikahla. Okay, mangabe awufuna ukubona lezo zinto lezo, zenze endlini ke. Zenze endlini, ama-push up bayashayeka endlini. Ungakhona ukuthenga i-pull up bar isanokuchipa on Take a Lot. Buy a pull up bar, faka emnyango wakho, zichushe. Sometimes you don't need insimbi nani. But if you don't want to be seen, zichafe. And then let i-progress isibonakalise. Because you're out here making ukuba namakhekhe abaya is an achievement. It's not an achievement. Baningi bawela umancaza indaba zekhekhe. So uwelwa incaza manje sohamba ngebona. Ngenxa yokuthi awusebenzisi ingqondo. Ucabanga ngeshende. And the cost of last izangikhawaza most of it. Because useseyintwana ibhilivele ekuchomeleleni ngelento, nge-body count ukuthi hayi weekend bengishaya sibani bani. Bona lo mntana ubani bani. I think kulelo side lelo you won't be seen because nifuna ukuzidlulela lapho. You want to fuck around. So try to fuck around. But sometimes you'll be like izokumoshakalela from there until your 30s, your 40s. Can't like tell her out this. Na inkinga la bikhona. So switch on. Be in charge of the light. If awugezi, bawuhamba light. Switch on. Early. Don't put a cake on top of the hierarchy. On top of the pedestal of everything. Shali ikhathi leyalo mntana uzombona lo. Akanandaba nawe lo mntana lo. There are many brews abama-approacher. And enye imosha ngayo there. Focusing on these mummies. So that's all I can say for now. But ngisazobuya because animameli. Sazongilike more. Kumele ngilike this. So yeah, another video, another no closing, asivuli. Singena shono tabeni. Because lento leyo around leyo ground umgqomo la isebenzi. Kube nama-intro angapheli sebenzi. Singena siponde udabeni. So ongizwile ongangizwanga akangizwanga. Get Gucci and my mate, it's up to you. Gucci and my mate, it's up to you. But on the long run, umvuzo everything oyenzayo uyaphuma ekugcineni. Noma ngathiwa uyenza ebumnyameni leyo nto leyo uyazifihla kanjani ekugcineni into iyazikhipha nakanjani. Ngiyayibona. So, this is what it is, man. Asivali. Bhekelela udlule.